Let me ask you, what was the past you that you'd like to change this 2025? And here's mine. Hi everyone! Good morning! Ready ako for office. 7:55 a.m. na. And mag-skincare pa lang ako. Nagmamadali na ako, diba? Tapos gusto kong pag-usapan ang realizations for 2024. And kung ano yung mga changes na gagawin ko for 2025. At least may goal tayo. And we have January. Plenty of time to improve ourselves. And I claim that by the end of 2025, I am who I want to be. Is to be a content creator. Talaga. As in, I want to be discovered. Because my whole life, I've wanted to be an artista. But, I've come to realize ngayon talaga na insecure with my looks. Dati yun ha. I always wish. But all those things, I really cannot control. Unless magpapaayos ko yung face ko. It's my fault. I wasn't acting upon it. So, taking this chance. I'm doing it now. And I know this is not going to be a quick process. Being exposed now sa social media wherein sobrang daming mga opportunities. Ikaw na lang talaga yung hinihintay ng opportunity na lumabas. Gumawa ng sariling content. I'm taking this chance with myself. Alongside my prayers, I am manifesting it. Plus, I'm doing an action towards it. I just learned to let go of all the things I wasn't even able to control but trying to control it. I always think about there is always a purpose in why this is happening to me. I'm always thinking about the positive side na. Dati hindi. Who is that girl I see? I always talk to myself dati is more of, bakit kasi ganyan ginawa mo? Sinisisi lagi si sarili ko. I don't talk to myself like, Casey, you have the chance to change your life. So, do it now. Kaya ngayon talaga, sasabihin ko lang lagi sa sarili ko, thank you, self, for holding on. Thank you, self, for not giving up. Thank you, self, for being strong. Thank you. I'm now entering a new phase of my life with full of gratitude. Life is too short to be angsty, to be questioning everything. Just do it. Just take that step. You have a purpose. Find time. You need it. You need that refresh start. I've been in that situation for years. And it took me only last year, around mid last year, 2024, to start acting on it. I'm still in the process that my future self will be thanking my present now. To be greater, to be better, to be happier, to be confident. And yeah, you're done. I'm just praying na and I'll be a better person with a better perspective of life and better perspective of what I want to be in the future and how I can sustain myself and maintain that self-love within myself para, di ba, in the future, mas marami tayong matulungan, hindi lang yung sarili ko. I want to show you my Seiko. Favorite ko talaga lately ang Seiko na as in. Ang dami naming collections right now. We've started dahil kay Paring Hype. Sana ma-influence din kayo.